Bluetooth mesh networks changing how we pair devices? Imagine a world where connecting your smart lights, speakers, and sensors is faster, easier, and more reliable than ever before. That's what Bluetooth mesh networks are bringing to the table. You might wonder how this impacts the way we pair devices, especially when dealing with software issues or connectivity problems. Well, let's break it down and see what's really happening behind the scenes. Traditionally, Bluetooth connected devices in a one-to-one way. Your phone would pair with a speaker or a smartwatch, and that was it. If you wanted to add more devices, you had to pair each one separately. This system worked fine for a few devices but became complicated when managing many gadgets. It also meant if one device failed or lost connection, your whole setup could suffer. Now, Bluetooth mesh networks are changing all that. Instead of one device talking directly to another, many devices connect to each other in a web-like structure. This many-to-many setup allows devices to communicate directly without always needing your phone to be the middleman. When you set up a Bluetooth mesh network, you use a special app on your phone to add devices, but your phone doesn't control everything after that. It acts more like a coordinator or a helper, making the setup process simpler and faster. One big change is how devices communicate. In a mesh network, messages can hop from one device to another, creating multiple pathways. If one device drops out or gets blocked, the message can find an alternative route. This makes the network more reliable and reduces the chances of connection issues. Your phone can stay connected even if some devices are out of sight or turned off temporarily. It's like having a backup plan for every message sent. Another benefit is that Bluetooth mesh uses Bluetooth Low Energy, which is already built into most smartphones and tablets. You don't need extra hardware or special features to participate. For older phones that don't support full mesh capabilities, there's a proxy mode. In this mode, a device acts as a bridge, translating between your phone's Bluetooth signals and the mesh network. This means even older devices can still control and manage multiple smart gadgets without trouble. Security has also improved with Bluetooth mesh. Unlike traditional Bluetooth, where security was optional, mesh networks encrypt all messages by default. This keeps your data safe and prevents unauthorized access. When troubleshooting connectivity problems, you'll notice that the focus shifts from pairing with individual devices to ensuring your phone can reach the mesh network through any available node. If one device drops out, your phone can still communicate through others, making the whole system more resilient. So, are Bluetooth mesh networks changing how we pair devices? Absolutely. They're shifting the focus from one-to-one connections to a decentralized, self-healing network. This makes setup faster, management easier, and connections more dependable. Your phone is no longer the single point of control but part of a larger, smarter system that keeps your devices connected and working smoothly. It's a big step forward in wireless device connectivity, making our smart homes and gadgets more reliable and easier to use.